coffee in minutes with the Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer by Presto. A tornado spins coffee grounds through the water to make cold brew fast. It's smooth and flavorful with no bitterness because grounds are never exposed to high temperatures. The Dorothy Cold Brewer is easy to use. Insert the stirring cup into the carafe and place on the power base. Add water. Select the brew speed and watch the tornado form. Gradually turn the dial until the tip of the tornado extends down to the top of the stirring cup. Pour in ground coffee and let it stir to your desired strength. 10 minutes for a flavorful lighter brew, 20 minutes for full strength, or up to 30 minutes for ultra strong coffee. Turn off and let the brewer rest for about 5 minutes. Then attach the plunger with filter and press down slowly and evenly to filter the coffee and move grounds into the stirring cup. Pour over ice and add milk, cream, or sweeten to taste and enjoy. When you're done, the plunger automatically attaches to the stirring cup for easy removal. The Dorothy Rapid Cold Brewer, a fresh spin on cold brew by Presto.
The K-Classic Brewer from Keurig makes it easy to enjoy your favorite beverages at the touch of a button. This brewer blends a proven design with practical features. Select from 3 cup sizes and brew your perfect beverage every time in under a minute. The K-Classic Brewer has a 48-ounce removable reservoir for even more brewing between refills. You can program the brewer to turn off automatically 2 hours after the last brew, helping to save energy. The drip tray holds a full 8-ounce accidental brew for easy cleanup. On the go? Simply remove the drip tray to accommodate a travel mug. Using the K-Classic Brewer is simple and convenient. Just pop in your favorite K-Cup pod and select your brew size to enjoy a perfect brew every time.